Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marissa. So today I'm joined with one of my best friends. If you guys know her from one of my vlogs, Tanny.
Hi.
Why do you look so nervous? This is your second video. But anyways, today's video I'm going to do like a little makeover on her. Penny kind of struggles with makeup, doing her own makeup. I can insert some photos if you let me. But yeah, she kind of struggles with doing her own makeup. So for this new year, I wanted to do makeup on her and teach her how to do her own makeup, of course, and do like a full transformation. And then we're gonna go out to take Instagram pictures. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm gonna do her makeup, her hair, and I already chose her outfit. I'll show you guys later the full outfit. And yeah, let's get started. Put this moisturizer on. Just go like this, and then put it all over your face. Should I tie your hair up? No, like literally just rub it over and close your eyes, rub it over your face. So this is the first time I've ever done makeup on someone else. I think I'm pretty good at it on myself, but I've never tried it on someone else. So if this is like really bad, I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna try my best to make it look good. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's
Like that.
just a little bit is fine because you only have a little bit. Okay. If this is, it looks darker. Normally you would use a lighter one, but okay.
I use it like,
I might use my concealer if this is too dark on you. Now, let's do some contouring. Go like this. Yeah. I do highlighter like there, this area. Other side,
His head into the room.
Alright, time for eyeshadow. Let's go.
Cold sweat, I was in a nightmare, searching in the dark, but I couldn't find.
You actually have like smaller eyes than I thought. Like the space between your eyelid and your eyebrow is so small. Mine's actually like big.
yeah.
Do you see this much
Yeah,
space?
yeah.
But yours is like
Yeah,
model.
thank you.
But then you have double eyelids still, sort of.
No,
it's
sometimes.
like on this one.
Yeah.
This one, not
I can
really.
like sometimes I have it, but sometimes I don't.
Yeah, but then your eyes are so small.
Yeah.
But you have a smaller face too, so that's different.
What would I do?
Okay, open. It's gonna be really weird. Just like open your mouth a little bit, but like relax.
I'm
Okay.
relaxing.
I'm gonna like do this. I'm only gonna put it at the inside part of your lip, okay? Not the outside.
The little breath with nothing else to do, I headed back to the room.
Do this. Kissy face. More! Your lips are so tiny. There you go. I just want to clean the inside. Oh my gosh, it's so... Your lashes are so small. Maybe I should have done your lashes first before. Okay.
Oh my god.
I'm
so
scared to
long
mess
now.
up on you, so...
So low.
See?
What the hell?
That's why you can see my eyelashes when I do it.
I was like, what the?
See, look how pretty you look! Okay, and now we're back and prepared to do her hair. So this is also my first time doing someone else's hair, and it's short hair. So this is gonna be interesting. But I'm gonna try my best and do good. So let me use this brush. Okay, I'll put you in the middle. Okay. Alright, let's go. Okay, first.
There were footsteps coming down the hallway, but when I turned around, it wasn't you.
So what I'm gonna do is hold it close to your head.
Don't burn my ear, thanks.
No, I'm not gonna burn your ears. And then lean it forwards. And just down like that. So it goes in.
Do-do-do-do. What would I do? Do-do-do-do.
So this layer is gonna be a bit different. What I'm gonna do, you can watch in the mirror. take like a section like this, big. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go same thing forwards up to like the end right here, flip backwards, and then end it this way. So that there's like a little bump. Now you do it probably 3 times on your hair just because your hair is really thick.
Lucky me, it was only a dream within a dream. It gave me sight unseen, and suddenly I knew what was haunting me. The last bite, the last memory of our last night, as I watched you walk away.
I'm gonna do that, and then just slightly. So that just one that's like different there, and then take one from like here. Yeah? And do the same thing.
What do I do? Cold sweat, woke up from a nightmare. The sun was peeking its head into the room. Border collie sleeping at the foot of the bed, but still I couldn't.
Yes, what the hell?
cutie. Actually, it's fine. I don't even need to put too much heat on it because it's already like small. Oh my god, you have really nice length of bangs right now. Before it was too short and it was too long.
Yeah. Oh my god, I was so mad it's too short. I was like, what the hell is the hairdresser doing?
No, don't cover your face. What do you guys think? I think I could definitely do better, but this is my first time trying to curl someone else's hair and someone that has short hair and doing makeup.
Yes.
How is it though? Be truthful. If you don't like it, you don't like it. But tell me. What do you think?
I heard
It's different. Because I need to do it based on your outfit too.
I'm
You look a mirror, by the way. It's just because. Oh, that's so cute!
I feel like I'm going to fishing or something. I'm fishing, guys.
What? Oh, you have nice eyes. Actually, you can put this on yourself.
Let me see.
It gave me sight unseen, and suddenly I knew what was haunting me. The last bite, the last memory of our last.
So, we finally finished her makeup. This is what she looks like. Why do you look so like confused? Down here. Do you like it though?
Yeah. I don't know.
She doesn't know. Because it's like really different.
So
But
fat.
no, you don't look fat. I feel like it looks really different, but like it's kind of cute. Not gonna lie. I'm sorry for the bad lighting in my house today because it's not, the weather outside is really bad, so. No, don't do that. The weather is really bad outside today, so the lighting is really bad in my house, but it's the best I can do. But I think she looks really cute. Yeah, this is the end of the video. I think I did a pretty good job for being not experienced at all for doing makeup and hair on someone else. And to be honest, I think it looks really cute on her, but it's definitely different. So for her, it's not like, you know, it's kind of weird. But I think I did a good job. And she's still confused whether she likes it or not, but it's okay. But yeah, I'm going to end the video here. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like and remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications to be notified when I post my next video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! You should be a YouTuber too.
Bye! Subscribe. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Like and
yeah.
and subscribe.
Like, subscribe. Follow Instagram. Yo.
Oh, you like this?
Yo.
Okay. See ya.
Little breath with nothing else to do, I headed back to the room. When I saw the clock was hitting midnight, your clothes were all packed and the dog was gone too. So